Welcome back to Cyberworld YT. Today we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity with 10 powerful hacking software tools that can essentially transform your laptop into a hacking machine. From network scanning to password cracking and vulnerability analysis, these tools are essential for security professionals and ethical hackers. Before we jump in, massive disclaimer. This video is purely for educational purposes. Using these tools for anything illegal is a big no-no. We're talking serious consequences. Stay safe, be responsible, and always operate within the bounds of the law. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got new videos dropping every week exploring all corners of the cyber world, from the latest tech to the most effective security practices. And to set the mood, let's get some dark ambient music going in the background. First up, we have Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. Think of it as a private investigator for your network. It's a command line tool, so get ready to flex those keyboard skills. Nmap lets you scan networks to see what devices are connected and what services are running. It's like having X-ray vision into your network structure. Nmap is versatile, used for basic inventory to advanced security audits. An essential tool for network administrators and security enthusiasts. Next up is John the Ripper, a fast password cracker that can save the day when you forget your own password. Ethically, of course. John the Ripper uses various techniques to crack passwords, including dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and rainbow table attacks. It's incredibly efficient at testing different password combinations to find the right one. It's important to note that using John the Ripper to crack passwords without proper authorization is illegal. However, it's a valuable tool for security professionals who need to test the strength of their own systems and identify weak passwords. Let's say you're responsible for a network with hundreds of user accounts. John the Ripper can help you identify weak passwords that are vulnerable to brute force attacks, and then you can enforce stronger password policies. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Now let's talk about Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer that lets you capture and analyze network traffic in real time. It's like having a surveillance camera for your network, allowing you to see every single packet of data that flows through it. Wireshark can be used to troubleshoot network problems and identify security threats. It provides an incredible level of detail about your network traffic, showing you the source and destination of each packet. This can be invaluable for identifying suspicious activity. Metasploit, the penetration testing Swiss Army knife. Moving on, we have Metasploit, a penetration testing framework that provides a vast collection of exploits, payloads, and tools for security professionals to test the security of their systems. It's like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers, equipping them with everything they need to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. Metasploit can be used to simulate real-world attacks, allowing organizations to identify and fix security holes before they can be exploited by malicious actors. It's a powerful tool that should only be used by trained professionals for ethical hacking purposes. One of the key strengths of Metasploit is its modularity. You can easily combine different exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules to create custom attacks tailored to specific targets. This flexibility makes Metasploit an incredibly versatile tool for penetration testing and security assessments. Aircrack-Eng, the Wi-Fi security auditor. Now, let's talk about Aircrack-Eng, a suite of tools specifically designed for assessing the security of Wi-Fi networks. It's a go-to tool for ethical hackers who want to test the strength of their own Wi-Fi passwords and identify potential vulnerabilities. Aircrack-Eng can be used to capture Wi-Fi packets, crack passwords, and even inject traffic into a network. It's important to note that using Aircrack-Eng to gain unauthorized access to Wi-Fi networks is illegal and unethical. However, it's a valuable tool for security professionals and network administrators who need to test the security of their own Wi-Fi networks. One of the key features of Aircrack-Eng is its ability to capture WPA and WPA2 handshakes, which are essential for cracking Wi-Fi passwords. By capturing enough data packets, Aircrack-Eng can use brute force or dictionary attacks to uncover the password and gain access to the network. Hydra, the login cracker. Up next is Hydra, a parallelized login cracker that can be used to brute force credentials for a wide range of protocols, including SSH, FTP, and HTTP. It's like having a battering ram for online accounts, systematically trying different username and password combinations until it finds the right one. Hydra is a powerful tool for penetration testers and security professionals who need to test the strength of their authentication systems. It's important to note that using Hydra to gain unauthorized access to accounts is illegal and unethical. Hydra's strength lies in its speed and efficiency. It can send multiple login attempts simultaneously, significantly reducing the time it takes to crack passwords compared to manual methods. This makes it an effective tool for identifying weak passwords and vulnerabilities in authentication systems. Now, let's move on to Burp Suite, a powerful web vulnerability scanner that's an essential tool for web application security testing. It's like having an X-ray machine for web applications, allowing you to see under the hood and identify potential security flaws. Burp Suite can be used to intercept and modify web traffic, fuzz test web applications, and scan for a wide range of vulnerabilities, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and more. It's a comprehensive tool that provides everything you need to assess the security of your web applications. One of the key features of Burp Suite is its ability to intercept and modify web traffic in real time. This allows you to manipulate requests and responses between your browser and the web server, allowing you to test for vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Moving on, we have Nikto, a web server scanner that's designed to identify common vulnerabilities and misconfigurations on web servers. It's like a health checkup for your web server, helping you identify potential problems before they can be exploited. Nikto can scan for outdated software, insecure server configurations, and known vulnerabilities. It's a valuable tool for web developers, system administrators, and security professionals who want to ensure the security of their web servers. Nikto is particularly useful for identifying vulnerabilities that are often overlooked, such as default passwords, unnecessary services, and insecure file permissions. By identifying and addressing these vulnerabilities, you can significantly improve the security of your web server and protect it from attacks. Now, let's talk about Nmap, a powerful tool that's specifically designed for automating the detection and exploitation of SQL injection vulnerabilities. It's like a guided missile for SQL injection, making it easier to identify and exploit these vulnerabilities. Nmap can automatically detect and exploit SQL injection flaws, allowing you to retrieve data from the database, modify data, and even execute commands on the database server. It's important to note that using Nmap to gain unauthorized access to databases is illegal and unethical. Nmap is a powerful tool for penetration testers and security professionals who need to test the security of their web applications against SQL injection attacks. It can automatically identify and exploit SQL injection vulnerabilities, making it easier to assess the severity of these vulnerabilities and take appropriate remediation steps. Finally, we have Maltego, a powerful open-source intelligence (OSINT) and forensics tool that allows you to gather information from a variety of sources and visualize the relationships between them. It's like a private investigator for the digital world, helping you uncover hidden connections and patterns. Maltego can be used to track down email addresses, social media profiles, IP addresses, domain names, and more. It's a valuable tool for security professionals, law enforcement agencies, and anyone who needs to conduct investigations or gather intelligence. One of the key features of Maltego is its ability to visually map out the relationships between different pieces of information. This allows you to see the bigger picture and identify connections that might not be immediately obvious. So there you have it, 10 powerful hacking software tools that can turn your laptop into a hacking machine. Remember, these tools are incredibly powerful and should only be used for ethical hacking and security testing purposes. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, drop a comment down below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Cyberworld YT for more cybersecurity content. And as always, stay safe, stay ethical, and I'll catch you in the next one.